Now I will make the block for the window. Okay, I will again go rectangle. Okay, press anywhere one point. Now I will enter dimensions. I hit D. Okay, I will enter the width of the window 8 feet, the height of the window 9 inch. Enter. Okay, click. Now I will explode this rectangle. I will select and press explode. Okay, now each element is separate. Now I will go offset and enter the distance for the offset. I will enter 3 inch. Okay, I want the offset of this. Okay, on this side press enter. Again from this side press enter. Okay, now I will again make a window for 4.5 inch wall. Press anywhere. Okay, enter the length. For that I will enter dimensions. Again enter 8 feet. Now the width of the window is 4.5 inch. Okay, here. Now I will enter. Before making the offset I will explode. Okay, and now I will make the offset. I have to enter the offset distance, so here I will enter 1.5 inch offset distance. Click this line and make invert. Click this line and make invert. Now my windows are also ready. Now for making of block. Okay, so here is the blocks menu. Here is the new block, create block. I will click create block. I will enter single door. Okay, pick point. Now select object, press enter. Okay, single door. Here you can see the single door is appearing. Click OK. Now again for new, now that is double door, pick point. Okay, then select objects, enter. Okay, you can see here is a double door. Okay, now select this window. First of all, new block, that is 9 inch thick window, pick point. Now select objects, enter. Okay, okay, the software is saying we can't put 9 inch thick. Okay, we have to remove this symbol 9. Okay, now again create new block for 4.5 inch thick window, pick point. Now select object, enter, and okay. Now the blocks are ready. Okay, you here you will see when you go to near block any door, that will act as a one unit. Okay, because that is a block. So here the layers are different for the windows. I have to assign the layer for window. Okay, now that's okay. Now I will copy and move. Okay, from this point. Okay, now when I when I fitted the main door into the uh, wall, now you can see the some part of the door is coming into the wall. So how to make the adjustments? Okay, I have deleted this door. Okay, again you can see here the error is also present in this door. Okay, when I move this door from this point to this point, okay, you can see my some part of the door is coming outside. Okay, so how to make the editing in the blocks? Here is the block editor. Okay, you will go, for example, in the double door. Okay, press OK. Okay, that is 6 inch. Now I want this thickness to 9 inch. I will just click this point and make more 3 inch to this side, and for this side also click here, enter 3 inch. Okay, now the adjustment is okay. I will press close editor, save the changes. Okay, now you can see the door is edited. Now for this one is also, that is 4.5 inch wall. It's okay, I will select, or you can without selection you can go to block editor. Okay, single door. Okay, then click here and move upward. How much? 1.5 inch. Similarly this right one, 1.5 inch. Okay, so that's all. Close editor, save the changes to single door. Okay, so now that's okay. Now I will just make copy of both. Okay, take this door, move from this point. Okay, that is the main door location. Now it's looking, it's okay. Copy this point. Okay, comes here. That is for kitchen. Okay, that is a air vent for the ventilation. Okay, for this room, okay, I have to make the rotation. Rotate, click here and make the 90-degree rotation. Okay, but the door open should be inside, so that's why I have to again rotate it to I have to make the mirror. Okay, I think the mirror is making some, so that's why I am again clicking mirror from this point. Press shift. Okay, do you want the erase the previous one? Yes. Okay, copy or move. Okay, so now to clear the geometry, okay, so I will again click trim, tr, enter. Okay, now it's looking good. Now I will put the windows in the wall. Okay, for 9-inch wall, copy, one window here, one window here. In the ventilation side, Control Z. Okay, so I will put here later by using the center. Into this side also, here. Window for this side I have to make the perpendicular or the rotation, rotate. Sorry, select the subject, enter, click the point of rotation here. Now make the copy from this point, make it here, make it here. Okay, so two windows are left in the 9-inch wall. I will make copy, but I will select the center point. Okay, so that it will easily adjust. Okay, snapping will be easy. So that's all for 9-inch. Now I will for 4.5-inch wall, copy, okay, for windows in this wall, I have to rotate it by 90 degree. Select, rotate the degree, select the object, copy this point. Okay, so that's all for windows. Now there is a pre-default library is present of different blocks, different types of blocks like sink, okay, like bath, like sofa, etc. For getting the access of that library, you have to press Ctrl plus 2. When you will press Ctrl plus 2, it will bring you to your library. Okay, that's the window. I have opened window open because that where I left last time. So now I will press here home button. Okay, that window you will see when you will come first time here. Okay, then you will go in the ENUS. Here is the design center. Okay, in the design center, what type of blocks you want. Okay, so here is a home space planner. Okay, here is the blocks. Okay, from here I will pick some blocks like queen bed. Okay, and sofa. Okay, plant, lamp, okay, dining set. Okay, so that's all for home appliances. Okay, now for kitchen. Okay, here double click, blocks for kitchen. I need sink. Okay, refrigerator, you can drag from here, refrigerator. Okay, sink, oven. Okay, dishwasher. So all types of blocks are present, or even you can import from a drawing. Okay, open drawing, and you can import the blocks from other drawings. Okay, that option is also present. I have discussed. Okay, so now I will put these blocks into our rooms, move from this point to this point. अम्मी रुको, जल्दी जल्दी, वो बोल चुकी है, हुन मैं बंद कर लिया. Now I will rotate it to 90 degree. Okay. Press shift. To this point. Now on the left side I will put lamp. Okay. On the right side you can put some table. Okay, let's copy these blocks. Okay, for this room. Now I will pick the dining table, copy from this point to this point. I will rotate it to 90 degree. Okay, for dining table. Now I will put the sofas, move from this point to this point. Then I will make a copy of this here. Now I will rotate it by 90 degree. Press shift so that your verticality will remain as it is. Now in this drawing I have used this space as a kitchen, so here I will put the blocks for the kitchen. Here is the sink, move from this point to this side, and here is the dishwasher. Okay, now I will pick the refrigerator. To this, here is the oven. Okay, I will rotate it to 90 degree. Okay, you can bring more blocks and put here. Now for the bath I will again go into our library. Okay, so here I will go in the home, design center, sorry, not at center, design center. Okay, so now in the home space, instead of, I will select home designer, go in the blocks. Here I will see for the bath, I will select bathtub. Okay, sink and toilet. Okay, so that's all for the bath. First of all I will place bath. I will rotate it to 90 degree. Okay, I will erase the window in the bath. Only the exhaust will be needed in the bathroom. So here is the sink. Only the last thing, this plant is left. I will move from this point and place it almost in every room. Copy this to this point and either in the main hall. Okay, so, and put a small table. Okay, you can make the round, okay, by fillet command. And in the kitchen you have to also make the shelf. Okay, for that okay, then by using a trim command, trim these. Okay, the shelf is okay. Okay, now I will use the hatch command for the hatching of the walls. Okay, you can use the solid fill or you can use the uh, hatch command for uh, any type. Okay, so for example, here is the hatch. Okay, here are different type of hatches. Okay, solid fill, so I will use this NCH and just go in the wall and put there. Okay, when you zoom you will see the double lines. Okay, to make the adjustment you have to put the scale, like for example I will put the scale 15, enter. Okay, now it's looking good. So I will just put in the rest of the walls. Okay, you have to put in all walls. Now all walls are complete. Now the last part of the floor plan, that is dimensioning. Okay, for dimensioning, that portion is present in the annotation. Okay, for example here annotate, I will click the end point from this side, end point from this side. Okay, you can see the dimension is 55 feet, that is okay, but that is too small. Okay, so for that we have to make the settings. Okay, 55 feet, I will go in the modify. Okay, so here you'll see arrows, lines. Okay, all types of settings you can change. Okay, for example simple close field, you can use dots. Okay, so for this example I will use the close field as it is. Arrow size I will increase, that is 3 by 16 inch. Okay, so I will increase it to arrow size to 9 inch. Okay, and text height also make it 9 inch. Okay, so then the primary units architectural, that is okay. The precision is 1 by 4. Text is okay. Now the extension lines, that should be also take care of that. Okay, extend dim, put 9, from outside, offset from origin, put 6. Okay, from this point to this point, that is also okay. Now let's see the setting. Okay, so now select this end to this end. Okay, so now looking good. So I will just raise this dimension and go to again dim. Okay, 55 by 35 feet. Okay, so that is looking good.